Now, the CBI has obtained sanction from the Delhi LG for the prosecution of Chief Minister Kejriwal in an alleged case of corruption related to the Delhi excise policy. The probe agency had submitted the prosecution sanction in the Rouse Avenue Court in front of Special Judge Kaveri Baweja, where the matter will be heard on the 27th of August. I'm being joined by my colleague Ishika with more details. Ishika, if you could take us through the details of the sanction that has been provided by the Delhi LG.
Well, in fact, now certainly, the update that we are getting is that the Central Bureau of Investigation has in fact submitted in the Rouse Avenue Court yesterday itself that it has got the sanction to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal in this liquor policy case. Now remember that it was on August 12th that the Rouse Avenue Court in fact had asked the CBI to get the requisite sanction to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal in this particular case in 15 days. So that now CBI has submitted in the court. Now the next hearing in this matter is scheduled to be on August 27. But certainly this means that the trouble continues to mount for Arvind Kejriwal, and not just for Arvind Kejriwal but also for another Aam Aadmi Party leader, that is Durgesh Pathak in this case. Now we have seen that the Aam Aadmi Party time and again have said that this is just a fabricated case and the agencies are working on the directions of the BJP-led union government with the only aim to defame Arvind Kejriwal and to destroy the Aam Aadmi Party. But now we are also awaiting a response from Durgesh Pathak. It is expected that he will be, in fact, holding a press conference over this issue at around 11:30. So that is certainly awaited. But trouble continues to mount, not just for Arvind Kejriwal, but other leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party as well in this Delhi liquor policy case. Over to you.